Here I have Samsung Galaxy M14 and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So as you can see, what you have to do is to just insert this tool inside the hole on the slot, slightly press it, the slot will come out. So here you have your SD card and here you have two slots for SIM card. So here you have SIM slot 1 and here you have SIM slot 2. So that's why we gonna insert our SIM here, because this is like the slot 1 and this is 2, and then put sled back inside device. And as you can see, it immediately requires me to enter pin code to SIM card, which is the proof that it's detected. And there's also a notification that SD card inserted, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.